This tip of the week on deferring studies is brought to you by the Redfern Legal Centre International Student Legal Service.
Studying in Australia can be challenging, and sometimes events beyond your control can prevent you from starting your course or from studying for a short period of time. You may ask your education provider to defer or suspend your studies either before or after commencement of your studies if compassionate or compelling circumstances exist that prevent you from attending classes.
Compassionate and compelling circumstances are those outside your control which affect your course progress or well-being. These can include, but are not limited to, serious illness or injury, death of a family member, political issues or natural disasters in your home country, traumatic experiences or hardship experienced as a result of COVID-19.
It is important that you defer your studies for a reasonable time which you may need, as your education provider will determine whether it is reasonable that you can catch up. If your education provider has approved your deferral or suspension of study, you will be exempt from your student visa attendance conditions during the authorized period of time of deferral. Your education provider must also tell you that deferment or suspension may affect your student visa. You should seek advice from a registered migration agent if your education provider issues you with a new confirmation of enrollment that has an end date after the expiry of your student visa. If your education provider refuses your deferral or suspension study request, you may also choose to access your education provider's internal complaint process.
Remember, if you are experiencing any hardship, your education provider and state or territory government may be able to provide you with crisis support. Please watch our two-part video series on crisis support for international students to see if this applies to you. If you think you need any more information, please submit an online inquiry at Redfern Legal Centre's website at rlc.org.au.
For more legal tips about issues affecting international students, download the My Legal Mate app at rlc.org.au/mylegalmate.